Hello, my name is Yuri and welcome to my first tutorial. Today I will show you how to make that glowy effect, so let's begin. Firstly, you have to have your whole image already complete. Then you have to merge all the layers so it stays as one whole picture. So you have to select all the layers, press Ctrl J and merge them. Now what we have to do is apply levels effect that you can find here. Then you can apply a clipping mask by holding Alt and clicking in between the layers. And now what you have to do, you have to isolate your bright parts and crush your dark parts, because dark parts won't be visible when you finish up making this effect, and only parts that will be visible and will be glowing are the highlights. So you have to crush those shadows and bring out those light parts. If you want more glow in your picture, you have to leave more bright parts, and if you want less glow, then you bring out more shadows. Then when you finish doing that, you can merge these two layers if you're happy with how it looks. Maybe I'll bring more those light parts and merge these layers. Now what you have to do is convert this layer into a smart object and apply Gaussian blur. Basically what you have to do here is just tweak how much blurriness you want in your glow. So I'll leave it at 10, and this is where smart object comes in handy, because when you turn your layer into a smart object, you can then tweak your effect if you don't like it. Then you have to change this layer's blending mode into a screen mode, and now it glows. If you don't like how much glow you see, you can turn the opacity down to like 20, maybe 30, and there it is. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. If you have any suggestions for my future tutorials, you can also do that in the comments. So thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.